So let's start our demo video of HTML and CSS. So it's HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is open source and cross-platform compatible software, and it's the most widely used programming language. So CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's open source and cross-platform compatible. So now a website consists of many web pages, and a web page consists of 4 different elements: HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript. So in this video or the next parts of this video, we will just get a detailed account of HTML and CSS. So what text editor we will use? We will most use the Sublime Text. Notepad and Notepad++ is also used in our Windows. Notepad is present by default, but Sublime Text needs to be installed. But my preference is Sublime Text. So let's see how to download the Sublime Text. I will provide the link to download the Sublime Text in the description box. So let's see how to download it. In the Google search engine, we have to type Sublime Text. And then on the first, we will click on that. The first link we will click, and then at the top we will get the download option, and we will click on that. And then the 3 Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. We will choose according to our needs. Such as I am downloading the Windows. My file has been downloaded. After the download, we will run the setup wizard, and the Sublime Text will be automatically downloaded. Okay. Now the basic HTML code needed for creating a web page is this. At first, the most important element is angle brackets, or it's also known as programming brackets. This will be used everywhere in an HTML document. So we will start it with a angle bracket and then give exclamation mark and then write doc type HTML. Remember, the doc type should be in capital letter, or we can also write in small letter also, as HTML is not a case sensitive. Then we will start it like this, and then we will write HTML within angle brackets. Then we will end HTML with a starting angle bracket and closing an angle bracket. So this is a container tag. And what is a container tag? Container tag is a tag in which is a starting tag and a closing tag. This is the starting tag HTML, and this is the closing tag HTML. And there are also many tags which are just at the start tag. They are a empty tag which do not have a start tag and end tag. They have just a single tag. Okay, then we have to write head within angle brackets. All should be within angle brackets. Then we have to write head, and then we will these two are optional. We can write, or we also cannot write. These two will enhance our experience, which is meta charset equal to within double quotes UTF-8, and then meta name equal to within the double quote viewport, content equal to within double quote width, which equal to device width, comma initial scale equal to 1, quotation finish, angle bracket finishes. Then we will do the title tag. We will open the title tag, and then we will type our title and then end the title tag. I hope you have noticed that in the tab of a window or the browsers, there is a name written. That is the title of the HTML document. The thing you will write here will be written as the title of the tab. And then we will close the head tag, and then body tag opens, and then we will write the body and then close the body tag. And as usual, we will close the HTML tag. This is the default basic HTML code we need to know. And then we have to proceed. I will just create an HTML document. I have created a tutorial HTML document, and I will show you how to create. In Notepad, I will show you how to create, and in Sublime Text also. I have installed Sublime Text. In new, I will go to the text document, and then I will open the text document. And here, we will write with angle bracket with exclamation mark, doc type HTML, and then angle bracket closes. And then we will write HTML, then we will write meta. I will give you a tab, and right at the side, meta, CHARSET equal to, within double quote, UTF-8, and then angle bracket closes, and then I will again give a tab, and then write meta name equal to, and then I will give double exclamation, double quote, and then viewport, and I will give content. I'm sorry, this will be out. Then I will give content, and then content equal to width, width. Then I will give width equal to device dash width, comma, give gap, initial dash scale equal to 1, and then close the quotation, and then I will close the angle bracket, and then give enter. Here now I will give another tab, and then write the title tag, angle bracket with the title tag. Then I will write my title, such as my channel name, all in one, and then I will close the title tag. After that, we will close the head tag, as we have started the head tag. And then we will start the body tag. And then we will write our body. I'm showing you in just a few seconds. Then we will close our body, and then we will close our HTML. And then in this area, we can write anything. Just suppose hi, this is a tutorial full stop, and then we will save it. An easy way for saving is file and save, or we can press Ctrl S. After it's saved, we will click on save as. After save as, then we will save as type, we will change it to all files, and then we will enter the name as tutorial1 t1, and then we will write here .html. This is important to write .html. Then we will save it, and then we will go to a folder. Then it's showing that t1, this is that became an HTML document. And when I will open it, see, when I opened it in this tab, as I told you, the name which comes in the tab is all in one, my channel name which is given it. Hi, this is the tutorial. This I have written body, so it has came in this area. This area can also be defined as a body. Then I will close it, and then I will close it, and then I will show you with Sublime Text. Editing with Sublime Text is far more easy than editing with a notepad. Okay, so I will open the tutorial. This I will right click and open with Sublime Text, and I will open it with Sublime Text as I've already installed it. This is the Sublime Text pen, and then We can also, I'm showing you from here only, we can also create a new file from here. I'm closing the tutorial and file and save as this all files t2 or tutorial 2. I've saved it as .html. We will save it. And in the folder we can see that t2 has been saved. And then here just we will start the angle bracket and see they've given many tags when we start the angle bracket. And then we will just type h, and then at the bottom we get html. When you will click on that, the all which we have written has been filled up. So that is why Sublime Text is far more easy than using the notepad. Okay, so in the title I will just give the same, all in one. Okay, we saw the body, and now I'll tell you about about a few tags. Okay, now we will see some attributes of the tag. These attributes are some special elements which are added after a tag, which give specific um, visibility to the tag. So in the body attribute, I will write just the same as I have written in the text document. Hi, this is a tutorial. I will copy it and I will put it here. And then in the body, I'll give a gap within the angle bracket and write BG color equal to, within double quote, I will write BLUE, blue, and then I will save it. Control S for saving. And then when I will view it, the background of the body will be blue and this text is white. When I select it and when it's black, I don't select it. This is also a, you can tell it, an animation which is provided by Sublime Text for free. You don't have to do any coding for that. Okay, now I can change it to text equal to white. So when I will go to the T2, the text will become white and the background will become blue. And when I select it, then no animation will be occurring because the text is by default white. Okay, we have done some attributes of body tag, and then you must have seen some favicons or this, like this image in the many tabs, such as when you open a new tab and then go to Google, there Google's logo comes. But how to insert it in our HTML document? There are ways. So at first we have to, so after the title tag we will write, I'm just pasting it, link rel equal to icon ICON, and then we will give a gap and then type equal to, within double quote, image slash x dash icon. This you have to remember it. And then href, HRDF. The href refers to hyperlink reference. And then within double quote, we have to specify the path of the image which we want to be inserted as the favicon. So I will insert, such as, I will insert an Instagram image. So I will copy the path of the image, and then I will insert it. So I've inserted it. C user OneDrive has desktop as tutorial as i.png. Okay, so if your HTML document and the image is in the same folder, or they're in the desktop, if they're both in the same location, then you need not to specify these. Such as my folder where my tutorial is there, tutorial document, and the image is there in the same folder. So I will need not to specify this. If my image is on another folder, then I will have to specify this. or I will just press copy path, and if it is not, then I will just press this I and .png. So I'll remove this and this, and I will control S, save it, and see the output. Now see the output has came, and Instagram's logo has been inserted to my tutorial page. Okay, there are many attributes, so next we will see all those. Now we will see the heading attribute. There are many tags which starts with H1, which is the largest tag, and it ends with H6. There are 6 levels, which is the smallest size. So I will write H1 high. Oh, no. This is heading. Then I will close H1. And then I'll just copy paste it. See. And then Sublime Text also provides us a unique feature. You just have to press Control, and then you just have to press to another location with your cursor, and these two locations will be selected. If we press backspace, both these elements will be deleted. So suppose here is H1. If I press the Control, yes, if I press the Control after H1 and here H1, and if I backspace, both ones will be deleted. Then I will press 2, so both will become H2. Here also some scheme. Okay, I will change all these like H3, H4, H5, H6. These all container tag. We have to end all these tags. Okay, then I will save it. Okay, then I'll refresh it. See, this is the largest heading. This is the smaller than largest. This is the third. This is the fourth. This is the fifth. And this is the smallest heading. So this is the work of H tags, means heading tags. Okay, then we will move on. Then we can use some attributes such as align equal to center, which means this H1 tag will be aligned to the center, such that we can specify this also, like align to center. Okay. Now we will I'll remove this all, and then we will see about the horizontal ruler. We all must have seen many lines in website or web page. These lines are brought by the HR tag. HR tag, most important, is an empty tag. We need not to close HR tag, such as I will give HR close. This means a line will be drawn. Let me show you. See, I use tutorial and then a line is being drawn. Okay, now I can change I will use the attribute. I can change the color, which is HR color. See, color equal to, within double quote, I will write suppose yellow, and then we will specify the size equal to 3, and then we will save it, which means that just a second, here we can't specify the color of the tag, but we can specify with CSS, which I will show you afterwards. So HR tag ends here. With the size, we can also change it to 30. Size can be specified here. Size will increase, yes. And I can also specify the color works, but I think it's color equal to black. Yes, yes, it also works here. Okay, color can be applied here also. It can be applied with CSS also. There, can I apply white? Yes, I can apply white. Yes, I can apply white. The thickness will also depend on the size. Okay, the HR tag goes. Then we will use the P tag. You must have seen paragraphs writing in a Word document or any other place. We can see paragraphs. The P tag is used to specify paragraphs. It is a container tag, means it has a close starting tag and closing tag. We can write hi, which means this hi will be not placed here after this, but it will be placed after here, which means in a paragraph. Okay, so this is the p tag. P tag also has same attributes. We can align p tag, align equal to center. Center, we can align p tag. Okay, so p tag ends. Okay, then we will use the blind break tag, which means that in simple words it is an empty tag. Only it has a starting element, and with simple words we can say it as enter. What we do in Word or other documents, enter, that is done using the line break tag or BR tag. BR closes hi, which means that it will be shown the same. Yes, the line will be breaked. Okay. Same works the T. Okay. So now we will do some another tags. If we do not use the BR tag, the hi will come here and it will be displayed like this. Okay, so we will move forward. Now we will see the bold, italic and underline tag. So this bold, italic and underline tag are all container tag, but these have special something to say as few special works, such as B tag stands for bold. It is a container tag. U tag stands for underline. It is also a container tag. And I tag stands for italics, which is also container tag. And then when I will refresh it, you can see I'll zoom it. Hi is bold here, hi is underlined here, hi is italics here. Okay, so there are attributes. The special thing which I told is that in Word there is interesting fact. I will show you. Suppose I will open a new Word document, Microsoft Word document, and then I will write here hi, the same thing. Just zoom it. Yes, now I can bold it. I can underline it on the same, and I can underline it. So I am applying in HTML. I am applying 3 attributes at a time. So in HTML, we have to do like this, that if we want to apply high, the bold in high, the same underline in high and italic in high, then we have to at first, I'll just erase it. I will open at first bold tag, then I will open underline tag, then I will open italic tag, and then I will write high, and then I will close. At first I have opened bold tag, then underline tag, then italic tag, but I will close at first italic tag. then I will close the underline tag, then I will close the bold tag. This sequence is important. At first, high is within italic tag, then it is further in underline tag, then it's further in bold tag. And when I will save it, I will run it. See, high has become bold, italic, and underline. So this is needed to be known the serial of the tags. Okay. So now we will see subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript are easily can be done in Word, but in HTML there is needed to write sub for subscript. Suppose I'm writing 2, and here I will just write the water symbol H2O, and 2 is in subscript, so H, after that H 2 will become down, and then after that O will be there. And then I will use the superscript tag, for example A super 2 means it will show A square to us. Let's see, H2O and A square. Further I can do some more things. I can do it in BR tag. With BR I can enter it both, and as you can see they're both down. Yeah, then you will get H2O and A square within superscript and subscript tags. Okay, we will return to the Sublime Text, and then there are more tags. Now next we will see the font tag. Font tag is a very much useful tag for size, color, and the font type. Then I will, after the body tag, I will start the font tag. The font tag opens. This is the container tag. After inside the font tag, I will place this, and I will put enter. Put enter here also. And with this, move it with the tab. Yes, and then I will specify here font size equal to 10, means the size of the letter will be 10, and then I will set the color equal to yellow, suppose, and then we will set the face. Face means font type, such as I can specify it as Arial, and I will save it. See, the yellow, it has become yellow and it's becoming Arial. I can also specify other fonts, and some commonly used fonts are Arial, Verdana, Times New Roman, Calibri, Courier New, and Monotype Corsiva. I'll specify it as Times New Roman. Just see how it changes. See, it changed to Times New Roman. Okay, this ends with the I end my video with part 1. I will come up with part 2. This is a playlist. The part 2 will start automatically. Thank you for watching.